Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today Leo and I are finally getting some things put together. Took these nuts and bolts to the grinding wheel, got them cleaned up, so I got both plates on the axle now. I also spent some time at the parts cleaner. Didn't get any video because it's too messy and it's boring anyway. I've been sorting and cleaning up some of the hardware, but on some stuff I just wanted to use brand new grade 8s on. So, got a little bit of assembly started and getting that axle in place. Got some of the brackets mounted. So hopefully, I don't know if I'll get here tomorrow, but one night this week I'll get out and get the leaf springs mounted and not sure what else. Hopefully start packing those bearings and getting the hubs on. Maybe by the end of the week, if I've got time on the weeknights this week, maybe I'll have that standing on its own wheels this week. That's my goal. So stick around, starting to come together. Thanks for watching. See ya.